Hey friends, and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to fix out your issue in which your biometric devices are not showing in your device manager. Let's go ahead and proceed. Here's my device manager and you can see there is no biometric option available right over here. First of all, click on the view tab and choose the option show hidden devices to make sure that your biometric option is not hidden over here. Now, if it is still not showing, let's go ahead and install it. Head over to this PC, open C drive, Windows, System32 folder, and here find WinBio plugin. Here it is. Double click to open it, and here you will find the option of Windows Hello Face. Right click on it, click on the option show more options, and here you will get the option to install. So go ahead and click on this install option to install Hello Face in your system. Hello Face is successfully installed. Now, if here you will not find the Windows Hello Face, the second path is again head over to C drive, Windows folder. This time find here a folder with the name WinSXX. Here it is. Double click to open it, and here in search bar you need to type helloface.inf and then hit the enter key. And here is the folder available to you. Double click to open this folder, and here find a file with the name helloface.inf. Here it is. Again, right click on it, choose the option show more options and click on the option install. This will install Hello Face and biometric devices in your system. This way, in my device manager, now you can see that biometric device is currently installed and available in my system now. Now if all the method fails, the last option we are left with is to head over to your settings menu, scroll down, and here choose the option recovery tab. Now click on the option reset this PC. Here choose the option keep my files so that your files will be completely safe and all your data will not be deleted. Now here once you choose the option local install, your computer, your system will be resetted to your previously stable state so that all your devices, all your biometric devices will be completely enabled. This process will take up to 30 minutes, and once it is completed, your system will restart and then will help you get the biometric devices in your system. So this is all about it, friends. This is how you can fix your biometric devices which are not showing in your device manager to enable Windows Hello Face or Windows fingerprint login. That's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving more such updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.